Hello everyone, I would like to explain our research under the title of Competition between Online and Offline Retailer Mass Customization. And this is our team. First, Chung-Chi Xie from Department of Industrial and Information Management and CKU Taiwan. And the second, Mahendrawati AR from Department of Information System ITS Indonesia. And I'm Prasasti as presenter. And this is my outline, our outline. First, introduction. Second, model setup. Third, basic model. Fourth, mass customization model. And the last, result and conclusion. Introduction. As e-commerce and internet technology develop, customers switch from the offline retailer to the online retailer, which has caused the offline retailer to lose many potential customers. Customers worldwide have a different taste, preference, and lifestyle. However, the online retailer such as eBay and Zalando can present a significantly higher risk of a post-purchase product taste mismatch. So the offline retailer show this opportunity and start to implement mass customization for their product. And mass customization can develop, produce, sell, and deliver affordable products that are sufficiently diverse and customized for almost everyone to buy what they want. That's why we use mass customization to reduce the impact of heterogeneous customer taste. And this is the previous research. In our research, in this study, we use the term condition as a description from Chai et al. 2020, in which the research used the hoteling model to describe the competitive relationship between the online retailer and the offline retailer. However, Chai et al. Used store brand strategy to combat the offline retailer, which is different from us. And the second, this research model is also similar but slightly different from Yazdani et al. Yazdani et al. Yazdani et al. Used the horizontal axis to describe the taste spectrum and the vertical axis to represent the delivered price. However, in our model, the horizontal axis represents the customer physical location and the vertical axis represents the taste spectrum. And this is a model setup. First, we consider one offline retailer and one online retailer, and both retailers sell the same product to end customer, and both retailer will need to set the product price with unit operational cost. And each customer is willing to purchase at most one product in the market. We identify the customer by X and Y, where X denotes the customer physical distance away from the nearest retailer, and Y represent the difference between the customer ideal product and the standard product. And when the customer ideal product located at Y in the product characteristic space, the customer incurs a disability of Y0 minus Y when buying a standard product at Y0, and incur a mismatch cost T, capital T, per unit distance between their ideal taste and the purchased product. And this is the notation of the model, the basic model. This is the utility function of there are two utility functions in the basic model. First, the utility function for offline retailer, and the second for offline retailer. And this is the segmentation point. And this is the segmentation point for both retailer. The indifference mark point is obtained by setting the utility function UR equals to UO. And this is the demand function for both retailer. And then this is the illustration of the model. And this is the retailer's profit for both retailer, and we need to check the concavity for both retailer for profit function. And by solving the following problem, both retailers seek to find the optimal price and to maximize their retail profit, because the offline retailer and the online retailer are independent of each other. The offline retailer and the online retailer make the simultaneous decision on retail price to maximize their respective profit. And this is the retailer's equilibrium. First, we derive the equilibrium price are obtained by solving the first order condition simultaneously. After that, we can get the equilibrium demand and profit for each retailer. And then this is the mass customization model. In the mass customization model, we focus on the customer demand with customer taste, y smaller than 0.5. And then this is the utility function for mass customization model. After that, we derive the indifference segmentation point of the two retailer, of both retailer. And this is the illustration of mass customization model. And this is the demand function for both retailer, and this is the profit function for both retailer, and we need to check again the profit function. For mass customization model, we have derived the both retailer decide price first. After that, we derive the offline retailer decide the mass customization scope. And in this model, we using the backward induction. And this is the equilibrium price of offline retailer and online retailer. And we derive the equilibrium price are obtained by solving the first order conditions simultaneously. And we got the new retailer's profit. And after that, we derive the first order condition for the new offline retailer profit with respect to mass customization scope, and we can get the mass customization value of mass customization scope. So this is the result of the retail equilibrium. And then this is the result of conclusion. First, the profit of retailer will increase when the T is low, and when price of the online retailer is more expensive than the offline retailer, the customer will automatically prefer the offline retailer than the online retailer. And then we got this: the mass customization costs are not large. The market demand for the offline retailer under mass customization will be greater. And then this is the basic parameter setting. The basic parameter setting, this is the condition of the basic parameter setting, and this is the result of the personalization. And we know that the profit retailer is greater than when the offline retailer implement the mass customization. And this is the numerical analysis. The parameter phi will be set up with the same value and will never change due to some assumption. Meanwhile, we explored this parameter into different value setting, and we got this graph. When CR is less than to this point, the offline retailer got the profit more than basic model. And this is CM. CM is increases, the profit is in mass customization is greater than basic model. And this is the conclusion. Mass customization strategy may be a great way for the offline retailer to mitigate the competition from the online retailer, and the offline retailer profit increase, but the online retailer profit decrease with the breadth of mass customization scope. And thank you.